This customer came in because he just bought this, got 200 miles on it, and he wanted to protect all the high impact areas on this car from any rock chips, scratches, or any type of debris that's on the road that's going to hit it. So we did a full track package. Track package includes a full hood, bumper, headlights, fenders, mirror caps, A-pillars, partial of the hood, rocker, and a partial in the back of the bumper. So we just finished wrapping up everything. Everything on here is protected with PPF. And then after we did everything, we wrapped all the edges, make sure that we can wrap where we can, and we finished polishing off the rest of the vehicle that didn't get protected with paint protection film, polished it, and put a CQUARTZ Finest. So I'm gonna give you a little walk around on the vehicle and what we did, but this job is coming out very nice, and I can't wait till the customer pick up and enjoy driving it, have peace of mind. So he's going to be protecting all those high impact areas from anything that's going to get thrown at it. It's going to protect that paint underneath. So I'm going to get you a little walk around of what we did and just enjoy those little clips. So we did a full bumper. The headlights are done. The hood is done. We wrapped the edges on the hood. We wrapped inside the fenders, and we did the headlights and the bumpers. You're going to have a little seam underneath, but it tucks under here, so it's barely, you can't even notice it. It's hiding underneath that headlight. The fender's done. We got these mirror caps that are done, the rockers, and that partial piece on the back of the bumper. I'll show you right now. It's hard to see, but there's a little piece of PPF covering up this section where the rocks is going to kick up and hit that part of the bumper, so it's protected with PPF, so no rock chips or any damage happens to this lower part of the bumper. I'll give you a little walk around because we polished the whole car after it was done. So the whole back area is polished, trunk is polished, top, the doors, and then we applied our CQUARTZ Finest to the rest of the paint. And then we put dedicated coating to the PPF to ready hydrophobic, but we added CarPro skin to all of the areas that we put PPF. So the hood, the headlight, the bumper, pillars, roof, mirror caps, rockers, and that partial on the back bumper. So I'll get you an update video once this is fully completed outside and ready for the customer to pick up. What's up, everybody? Josh over here at Dynasty. We just wrapped up this Corvette. We did a full track package along with a full ceramic coat package. We finished up the whole PPF, front bumper, headlights, hood, fender, pillar, rockers, and the rear quarter bumper got done. So we did a little piece right at the bottom where the rock chips are going to splatter. And then we put coating on all the PPF and the rest of the vehicle that didn't get any protection with PPF, but did get protected with CQUARTZ Finest. Here's a walk around on how the Vet looks, and it honestly looks stunning in the sun. This color is amazing. Customer's on his way to pick up now, and I can't wait to get his reaction on how this turned out. Looks amazing. If you guys are looking to get your car PPF protected by any rock chips or anything that gets thrown at your car while driving, please give us a call. We could definitely take care of that and get your car looking right. Our phone number is 570-221-4240.